Sodium diet: how to use salt to be healthy. Sodium is one of key minerals that keeps your body cells working. Without sodium, your cells would not be able to bring nutrients into the cells and remove toxins after the nutrients were used. What this means to you is that without understanding how to keep the right amount of sodium in your body, you will be susceptible to various illness. Here is the best information you can get on how to use sodium to maintain natural health. This information will protect you from the onslaught of highly salted products on the market that are robbing you of good health. You no longer have to be a victim of table salt by not knowing the true secrets of table salt and natural organic salt. Use the foods listed here, and stop eating too many salted foods that are destroying your health. I have written an ebook to help you get the real salt you need into your body. You will find what foods you need to eat so that you get what is called organic sodium. By applying the many ideas and principles found in this ebook, you will get a better handle on why and how to control the sodium your body needs for the best performance. Here is your chance to discover why you should be concerned about the foods you need for best sodium, and how sodium works in your body. Take a few minutes to read about this sodium diet, so that you don't have to worry about whether you are getting too little or too much sodium in your diet. Go now, and click on the link below, and discover the world of the organic mineral, sodium.